way deeper over there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yup.
Kaplunk.
Oh, here comes the water. Look at it.
Back up, back up.
Nice. Oh, my muck boots tomorrow.
It's gonna come rush. There's 2.5 feet in there.
Of
Yeah.
water?
Yeah.
Damn.
Come on, boys, back up.
I think it's called you.
You're as tall as my little sister.
Put the mud down.
Put the mud down.
Dueling Excavators. Thank you, JW and Sons. You guys are badass.
No way. He's gonna get stuck.
He ain't gonna get stuck.
There's too much water.
Yeah, but he'll push himself out.
Stop. Okay, stop throwing that.
John! Jesus Louises, man. Hey, Benny, you know how we make the little water up there? That's what we're doing here, but with some big boy toys.
This would take forever if we had to use this shovel.
Oh, I'd be dead before it freaking finished. This is hard stuff. The clay sucks.
A foot. I think you'd be like, sure.
I need an AED. Look at all that.
You could have made some money off of mud bombs or something.
Put it down, dude. No mud bog. Take trucks out here and get stuck.
Yeah.
It's a piece of clay there.
What?
Yeah, and you're throwing it up, it's gonna hit me when it's dead. Yeah, exactly.
Boys, stop. No, stop. Jonathan, you're gonna be grounded, dude. Stop. Jumping. Stop. Stop, dude. Jeez Louise, that's a lot of soup. Look at all that mud. Yeah. Look how he's pulling himself out. Don't eat all the seeds, dude. Don't eat all the seeds. I'm not.
At least he eats them.
Yeah.
Some just go.
What?
Yeah. Like, dude, come on.
Yeah, don't give Dennis the Menace nothing. Oh my Lord. Crazy.
You guys came straight here from when you dropped me off?
We went and got the excavator and then everyone home to eat and stuff. And I was cutting some grass. Move, Benny. Move. I think a little high. I think so. Jesus. Hey, I don't know if I can get the Ooh, sorry. Back up, dude. Cool.
Fan out here now.
That's right, man. That's right.
Yeah, Cliff wanted to come sooner, but you know, Brenda wanted to clean because my mom's sister.
Yeah. Cool. You can see a little slope action right there, like you can see the puddle of water and it zoops up a little bit.
Yeah.
Like up, it's probably just a little past the chicken coop, I think.
Looks a little high, kind of, because
Yeah.
like the slope of
Yeah.
it at 1%.
Yeah. Just to think there's a barn here at one point.
There was a barn here?
There was a barn here. It was destroyed before we bought it. What's up, bud? Easy night, dude. I thought you were cleaning. I thought
I don't do that.
You don't clean?
You don't scrape off the grill? No. That's fun. That's fun.
Hey, I'll check it.
The guy that.
Yeah, they are. Dueling excavators. Yeah. No, I don't know if it's gonna be tonight, man. I'll be out here all night. I gotta put all that stuff together.
It's possibly tomorrow, right? You think?
Yeah, it'll be. I'm gonna work on this stuff.
Like,
Here comes the water. Oh, that's alright. Oh, it ain't?
Yeah, there's this back end to the wall.
You got out.
I didn't feel like smoking.
You okay? Why, Ben? You
I
just.
taught him how to do that.